Looking for an audio cable that delivers crisp, interference-free sound every time? This 2RCA male to 2RCA male cable is designed to keep your music pure and your setup hassle-free. With 24K gold-plated connectors, it resists corrosion and tarnish, ensuring a lasting, stable connection that won't degrade over time. What sets this cable apart is its robust shielding. Combining copper braided and aluminum foil layers, it dramatically cuts down unwanted electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. That means no more buzzing or static ruining your listening experience. Inside, a polyethylene foam dielectric insulator keeps signal loss to an absolute minimum, preserving every detail of your audio. The core features tin-plated copper wiring that fights oxidation and extends the cable's lifespan. It's flexible enough to fit snugly in tight spaces, yet sturdy enough to handle daily use without fraying or breaking. Whether you're upgrading your turntable setup or connecting other audio gear, this cable delivers solid, consistent performance. One user shared how they replaced the output cables on their Technics 1200 turntables with this model. Despite being slightly thicker than the originals, the cable fit perfectly after a minor adjustment and remained completely silent even when placed near strong electromagnetic fields. The audio quality was noticeably clear, thanks to the fully shielded design and thick yet flexible insulation. If you value clean sound and durable build quality in your audio setup, this 2RCA cable is worth a look. It offers peace of mind with every connection and keeps your system sounding its best. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cables and experience the difference clear, interference-free audio can make.